Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You're most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read two beautiful stories with two beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories, but you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start the first story. Mr. Fox was just about famished and thirsty too when he stole into a vineyard where the sun-ripened grapes were hanging up on a trellis in a tempting show, but too high for him to reach. He took a run and a jump, snapping at the nearest bunch, but missed. Again and again he jumped, only to miss the luscious prize. At last, worn out with his efforts, he retreated, muttering, "Well, I never really wanted those grapes anyway. I'm sure they are sour, perhaps warm in the bargain." The name of the story, The Fox and the Grapes. Moral, any fool can despise what he cannot get. The second story. Once there was a silly gnat who kept buzzing around the head of a bull. Finally, he settled himself down upon one of the bull's horns. "Pardon me, Mr. Bull," he said, "if I am inconveniencing you. If my weight in any way is burdensome to you, pray say so, and I will be off in a moment." "Oh, never trouble your head about that," replied the bull. "It is all the same to me whether you go or stay. To tell the truth, I am not even aware that you were here." Name of the story, The Gnat and the Bull. The moral, the smaller the mind, the greater the conceit.